Zapof Forms produces a responsive form from a single design. The responsive form fits the screen size of all devices without the form creator's intervention. Zapof Layout Engine rearranges the elements into a single column on small devices such as phones. Not only that, each input field stretches to fill the full width of the screen area. Large buttons, input fields, and easy-to-read text make the form easy to work on small devices. Let's see how a responsive form works on different devices. We use a service order form as an example. The form contains text input fields and an order table. The order table has text, checkbox, file upload and currency columns. We created the form for desktop viewing and we are happy with the layout. Now, let's view this service order form on a phone. Each element now aligns itself in a single column. All elements are visible on the small screen. The input fields also stretch to the full width of the screen. There is enough space between elements to make it easy to tap and fill up the answers. Let's view this form on a tablet. Because the tablet screen area provides enough space horizontally, our form uses its original layout.